leave this on. Put a chip down there, see if it'll go for it.
No, because it's marked the fucking dashboard. Well, it's on level, isn't it?
Just hold it then so I can...
That was nice, that windscreen.
It's not trying it again, is it?
No.
Oh.